What happens when you eat chicken and turkey every day? 1. Intake of protein should be increased. Chicken and turkey are both great providers of this nutrient, which is necessary for the development and maintenance of muscles, cells, and tissues. When you consume poultry like chicken or turkey, the protein is broken down into amino acids that are then absorbed by your body and used for a variety of purposes. 2. Improved metabolism. B vitamins, such as B6, niacin, and riboflavin, are abundant in both chicken and turkey. These vitamins are essential for increasing metabolism, keeping skin, hair, and nails healthy, and turning food into energy. 3. Lessened inflammation. Chicken and turkey are high in healthy unsaturated fats like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids and low in saturated fat. As a result of these fats' anti-inflammatory effects, inflammation in the body can be reduced, which lowers the chance of developing chronic conditions including diabetes, heart disease, and arthritis. 4. Increased iron intake. Iron, a mineral necessary for the body's synthesis of red blood cells and the delivery of oxygen, is present in abundance in chicken and turkey. These meats can aid in the prevention of anemia, a disorder marked by low red blood cell counts. 5. Enhanced immune system. Zinc, a mineral that is essential for the immune system, is present in both chicken and turkey. Zinc plays a part in the creation of DNA, the healing of wounds, taste perception, and the defense against viruses and diseases. Zinc plays a part in the creation of DNA, the healing of wounds, taste perception, and the defense against viruses and diseases. Consuming chicken and turkey can increase your zinc intake and strengthen your immune system as a whole. In conclusion, eating chicken and turkey can have a lot of positive effects on your health. These meats are brimming with vital nutrients that can support a healthy lifestyle, from raising protein and iron intake to lowering inflammation and boosting metabolism.